We partnered with Second Harvest Food Bank, and they have a food pantry that was brought down to us, and our kids are responsible for making food boxes, and we deliver them to people in the community who need them.
We have a food pantry. You seen a business here?
Jordan, do you like doing the food pantry and serving people in our community?
Yeah. So Transition 2 is students from the ages of 18 to 22 who have already graduated high school, and they get to come to our classroom for 4 more years, and we teach them job skills and work skills.
Do you like to load it onto the bus and use the dollies? Yeah.
Every second Tuesday of the month, Second Harvest comes and drops off a pallet of food for us. So the kids will pull the food. We have a list for them, and they look to see what we need. Certain things go in the boxes. They put it on the dollies. They load up the trucks, and we're off.
We saw them out here. Carrots, the peanut butter, this tuna. Yeah, that's spaghetti sauce, apple juice, vinegar, milk.
It's fun for them. They're serving a need in the community, and I think that they know that and they enjoy helping out.
I kind of like it.
Our community embraces our students in every way. The way they give to us, to be able to give back to them is an awesome feeling.